So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from um, today till the 15th of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box, and you can book your slots and mail us if you have any queries. So let's start. Pisces, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Magician. So someone is trying to manifest something here in the situation right now at this present moment, and or maybe manipulation. Maybe. Let me clarify this card. Let me clarify the Magician. Wow. We have the Strength card and the World card and the Two of Cups. So someone here is manifesting the end of this maybe no communication or lack of communication, or this blockages in the situation between you and them, and having a beautiful connection, having a beautiful stable soulmate kind of dynamic between you and them. So they are manifesting this energy of universe, please help me to remove all the blockages that we are having in this connection, and let's have a beautiful connection on the table between me and Pisces, because I feel I can be with them now, or I can give them whatever they were wanting from me now. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Queen of Wands. So from your side, you feel like manifesting your own life. You feel like living your life to the fullest, creating your own reality, being in the mode of attracting, not chasing or running behind anything or anyone. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Fool card. See, you feel like you should not take any kind of unnecessary risks when it comes to your love and relationship area, and you should be super focused on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your stability, and you should do everything that is going to make you happy, that is going to create your own reality, and that is going to give you the satisfaction of living your life to the fullest. So you are not kind of holding back in life because of something or someone, and you're kind of trying your best to enjoy your life to the fullest and create your own reality with whatever resources and happiness resources you have right now, right? And you have everything actually to keep yourself happy. And maybe one loyal person or loyal friend, maybe a pet that you rely on strongly, and you feel like this is enough for me. Wow, that's good, that's new. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Chariot. Their intention is to face the truth and the reality of the situation, no matter how hard it is. They want to move forward with you in the situation. They want to make this successful and victorious. Okay, let's clarify the Chariot. And they don't want to take no as an answer in the situation because they feel ready about it. Wow. I've seen a lot of people like, I'm ready, why should not they? Wow. See, this person wants to have a brand new beginning in this direction with all of truth and the clarity, with all of the passion that they have. And they want to fight for this situation, even if it means that they have to fight with multiple people to be with you or to make the situation work out between you and them. This person wants to fight for the situation to make this work out because they are kind of ready to make the situation go to the next level. They know it's kind of impossible, but at the same time they are ready to face it. So they want to take the initiative of making a brand new having a brand new beginning with you, even if it is going to end up in disaster. They are ready to face the disaster. Almost similar to some other sign as well today that I did. Maybe Sagittarius, I guess. I don't know. I don't remember. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Honey. Tower, you just want to have a very stable base in this situation. You just want the truth, you just want the reality, Whatever is the reality, you just want to face it head on. Like because the base of the situation was very poor, was not that much solid, you just want this situation to fall apart so that you can either start from scratch or let it go completely, right? Let's clarify the tower. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Five of Pentacles. Yes. See, you want to come out of this feeling like a victim kind of a mode. You want to have a brand new beginning in your own life where you are having growth and expansion. You are growing, you are glowing, you are having your own life, you are loving your life to the fullest, and coming out of this victim mentality or victim mode or this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, and understanding why things keep on falling apart in your love and relationship area kind of again and again and again. Okay, and breaking the cycle, breaking the limiting belief. This is what you want. You want a solid base, you want a solid stable base, so that you can rely on that person or on that situation, and then you can move forward with a lot of happiness and a lot of this energy of, okay, I'm creating something very beautiful for myself and for the other person who is going to enter in my life. Okay, let's see what's coming towards you till the 15th of December. Four of Pentacles. Okay, you holding on to something or someone very tightly, and or someone around you holding on to you very tightly. Like, nope, never letting go of Pisces. No, no, no. Okay, let's clarify the Four of Pentacles. At the same time, not even telling you or not even saying anything about it. That sucks, actually. Let's see. We have the Eight of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Ten of Cups, right? See, someone is still holding on to some kind of negativity because of past experience with you or past experiences with other people, but they are still holding on to this idea of being with you someday, even if it seems kind of very stressful and impossible right now. But someone is still holding on to you energetically. The cords are still very much attached, and they are in this energy of someday me and Pisces are going to connect with each other, and we are going to create a very beautiful and very stable kind of relationship situation, long term happiness, happily ever after kind of a deal someday. Till that time, they're just holding on to the idea of being with you, but not doing anything about it. And even if you are going to go towards them to do something about it, they are not going to be ready to open up because they are not able to understand what they should do. They are in mental jail. They can't stop overthinking. Their overthinking is the killer here, the blockage here, big time. Mental jail kind of a situation. For you, the guidance here is the Seven of Cups. Keep your options open. At the same time, don't be in this rush or hurry to connect with anybody just like that. Take your time. Okay, take your time. Take it slow and steady, one day at a time. Understand the other person's energies, understand your own energies. If you feel you are not ready for love and relationship, then you should definitely put a board and not ready kind of. But if you're ready and you feel like you should open up, definitely open up to new people, new situations, but take it very, very slow. Don't make any kind of choices or decisions in confusion kind of energy, right? Because in emotional confusion, we always end up taking the wrong decisions, and I don't know, like sometimes the wrong decision is also positive, sometimes the right decision is also negative. So it depends on what we are going to achieve, like what we are going to get. Not depends, like, I'm sorry. The thing here is that don't be scared of making the wrong choices as well, but don't make wrong choices when you know you are not in the mind space of making the uh, right choices. From your side, make the right choices, even if it is going to end up in disaster. That is the point, because you made the right choice from your side. Whatever is going to happen next, nobody knows, but at least you did the right thing. You chose the right thing according to your stability and energies. Wow, good. Finally, I did that. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.